stand by. Conference.
Hello.
Hello.
You're the presenter now.
Okay, 1 second. What happened? Topic as you know that file upload, file download using the tool. Okay. The name is Sikuli. Okay. Sikuli. Sikuli. So here, before we explain, why I'm going to explain this is, see, one more tool, it is there, AutoIt. So generally, whenever Google it, so it will come to know AutoIt. So this is what file load and file downloads. Okay, upload and file downloads using Selenium. Selenium does not have the direct feature to interact using Selenium. Okay, so Selenium does not have direct interaction in Windows pop-ups. So then I will take the help of AutoIt, either will take the help of Sikuli. Okay. So why I was able to allow, why I choose for explaining this is because of, suppose if you use it, work on Windows only. That is the work for the AutoIt. So if you use this one, work for Windows and Linux, so all the most in the environments it will be. So that is the most people are preferred to use the Sikuli. Okay. So let's give some idea about the Sikuli. What is Sikuli and what it does and why we are using this one. Just a kind of 5 minutes. So this is Sikuli. So Sikuli also a separate automation tool. Okay. So Sikuli also a separate automation tool and based on the coordinates. Okay. Suppose here these are my screen, like there is a button. So what you need to do, we need to capture this resolution create an object by using the script. There is in class, it has to be clicked. There is a function class, it will be clicked. So this is what we are doing, but basically it has ability to capture the coordinate or image recognition. Okay, so Sikuli automates anything on the screen. Irrespective of it is or it is whatever. Okay, it automates any using the screen. Okay, and it used to manage the recognition, identify and the control of UI content, and it is useful. There is no access to user interaction and from the source code. Okay, and these are the development groups. It is open source and it is on the research project also. These are the people who are going to be designing this day to day. Here, okay, yes, and that few bugs are there. So how to support and mainstream something like that. So what our goal? Okay, so that there should be a Sikuli tool which can based on the image recognition we can able to do. So we should some documentation or we should learn some downloads. Okay, so let's see how we need to download. Let's see document also. Okay. So all the Mac also, everything, all across the browser we can say, across the things. Okay. The second thing is where we can download. Okay. So we can download. These are things which I was provided. Please follow the steps. So this is a clean jar. Okay. This is the Sikuli jar. See, there will be a procedure to install. So I have documented in a proper manner. Read some time and put the jar. And so this is the image. Click on this download. And second thing is create a new folder in the C drive and create whatever the folder name and paste the jar from the download location. And see that the third step you do double the jar file and automatically it will be like some pop-up. Pop-up says the pop-up that are you about to run a setup for the Sikuli 1.1 something, and you should have the suitable backups and to go for in case any. Okay, click on OK button, and after that, so you'll get this Sikuli X setup now. This is the important thing because we are going to be installed. Okay, so we have a lot of things here. So pack 1, I want to Sikuli containing a Sikuli ID allow to run the Sikuli scripts on the command line. First one. Okay, pack 2 is I have developed a Java. Okay, I developed in a Java or a Python or JavaScript language using NetBeans or Eclipse either IDE. Okay, third option I want to use a based on the ORC feature. I don't know why third option. I'm not sure that, but we go for second option pack 2. I want to develop in a Java or Python and the Java aware of scripts using NetBeans and Eclipse. We are developing Java with Eclipse. So to follow I will check the second option. Once you check the second option, you need to click on setup now. So it will take some time and pop-ups will come. Just you need to make use like pressing on a S. Okay, so these are the jar files are going downloaded from the location. Once they're in the first screen, so once we created a folder So this is computer, and see, I created a folder name jar for a Sikuli. So they get downloaded this Sikuli set 1.1. See, after done the installation, so all the pop-ups, and we choose the pack 2, then in name folder you see that some Sikuli setup logs and setup stuff. These are the 2 folders will be extracted once you while loading or installing. Okay, and that in the end of that, after successfully install, and you can see there is Sikuli API jar file. So the extra jar file and log and jar file. This is already we downloaded. This is the download one, and it's about to logs and Sikuli XAI jar. Down installation is done pack 2, then you get it here. So that means your Sikuli is installed properly in your machine, and you can be able to do scripting in the Eclipse. So this is the external jar. Okay, the external jar, as you know how to add the external jar to the project. So to go to the project, okay, when you set the Java build path and go for a external jar file, set to the project, click on open. So jar file is going to be set up to the project. So that means now we are able to run we are able to design our scripts. So up to here, so it's very proper documented, and in my system it is working fine. Please follow the steps, and definitely it's your. Okay, this is for installation. Tool. Okay, and now I have done my Eclipse, and I have this exercise, but create a new class and I will explain properly. This is the site I took for the explanation. Okay, so first I will do a manual thing, and how we are going to automate by using Sikuli. I'll tell you. As we know, PDF document. So this is the app PDF to document. This is a upload file. So once I click on, so this is a browser. It's not a browser window. It is a one. So here, so this is able to click by name, but even though I am automating Sikuli only. Because I'm having any one of the object in the browser or window, we can able to automate the Sikuli. So that is an example I am going to be show. And same similarly, if I click this button really we cannot handle any one of the object on this window. We cannot handle by using so must use Sikuli. So Sikuli told you what is Sikuli. Sikuli capture this area, and the screen capture area. the screen and create a object by and the that image path and do the operation. That's what we are doing. Okay. So now I'll create a new class. Create class to doc load and using okay. So just to get that, locate that initial thing. What is that? If I draw WebDriver launch, WebDriver launch, WebDriver browser launch, where it is edition. And what is the site we are going to discuss? Document to document. This is right. And created an object for this class, PDF to PDF. Sorry, PDF to doc. New object of this class, PDF to doc, reference, call the launch browser. Okay, in the browser. So just I'm running here. So I'm to open my the browser like Chrome and then PDF to document dot maximize. So it is open and the maximize also. Okay, nice. And see that file upload and download. So see that the pattern class into new pattern. So what is the pattern class? See, here you can see it is imported. Okay. So org.sikuli.script. Okay. So now one second, I will show you that how to get this information. So just in Google, go to here, org.sikuli pattern. Basically, it is a class. Okay. So it is, if you know Java guys, so easily can get it now. So it is a class. Okay. And the pattern is a class. And so this is a like a package, and you can see the like methods. So pattern dot extract for pattern similar pattern dot option, and there is a one constructor is pattern P. This is a pattern of pattern P. Pattern of pattern P. It is pattern of pattern P is nothing but a image URL. Okay, so we are following this pattern and the constructor. This is a URL, image URL in the sense image path. Okay, path, whatever where the image is exactly stored as a string format. So we need to provide. Okay, so and Next, there is a screen, a new screen. So these are two classes which are going to be used and helps us to automate Windows stuff by using SOAPUI. So see that thing screen. I go to here and maybe here. Yes, casual life, please. Yeah. Yeah. Student class. I see that region and the screen on inter and the subclasses, and see that public class extended of region implemented by observer I screen. These are the methods. And there is a screen constructor. Two constructors are a screen default constructor we are using, and these are the methods. These are the methods that are very, very important. So we are using the method is like which method going to use dot capture, something like that. Okay? Yeah. So let's have try on this. So now what we need to place the pattern thing. What we need to place in the screen level stuff. That is the point. So in the pattern we need to define images which are going by tool or Sikuli tool. Okay, so the first two we fulfill. Okay, yes. So and first the example, as I told you, trying to automate to yeah. So in my application, once it is open and maximized, and I should click on this file upload. I should click on file upload button. Okay, so we can do by using Selenium. I'm using in the window also we can automate by using SOAPUI. That's what I'm explaining this one. So as I told you, we need to capture the image. How to capture? There is a snippet. So here and get capture the resolution of which but going to be here. And place that location. So I'm placing in the desktop. Okay. So please test. Inside that, we take this is for Chrome browser. And see, I'm making a folder. Suppose if you have too many things in your project, you need to make some folder structure, and you can do here. This is a session where you need to save. Okay, so see, capture by using SOAPUI tool, and give the location, okay, and provide name of the image, and I'm giving the image is like upload file button. Upload file button dot png. The format should be in the png. Okay, so it here. Okay, next thing step is once you click here, so this one will be open. So this button will be open. What we should do is the symbol of our is we should enter the file name with the file path here. This is the regulation. This is the area we need to capture. After that, just need to simply click on the open. There are two captures to be done, time area and click on button. So now okay, click use Nifty tool and see that area we need to capture for the file upload and save as station and giving the file path.png, path of PNG. Okay, in the road and next is click on here. You should open open button. Click on open button. Just I'm capturing the open area. Okay, save open one button. That emoji. Okay, so after the images and we stored in the location as this. So, yeah, so we have the script here. So we'll do pattern. Okay, pattern. So first thing is I have to click file upload file. Okay, so my pattern name is FileUpload and give the location of the file upload image which we capture. So the location and give the file upload file button. So this is the PNG I'm passing here in the pattern. Okay, so in the class we need to pass this particular upload file button image which we captured by using. So this thing pattern. What is the second pattern? The pattern is second pattern is file path or file name, whatever. Okay, so I'll make here reference name is file name or file name underscore path and provide the image which we capture by using Sikuli tool and location is there here and slash file path the location. So make / in Java path and next one is hard pattern is a button. Hard click open button. So button location is location and slash open button and share the path paste it here. Okay, and three things which are images are captured and the images are given as a path to the parents and give the reference name for the particular image. So this is screen and which can do the actions. Okay, on top of the image, the scene feature has a scene function or scene class has a method to be performed. Okay, in the click. Okay, click the method and inside that which scene or which pattern you need to be clicked. This is the one. Okay. And he is throwing the as you learn, this is a checked unchecked exception. So this click function is a compile time exception. You explicitly throw or handle exception. Okay. So we throw the exception and they are making some thread dot sleep in between that. Which is open and 3000 milliseconds and throw the exception. And here you can see after that After clicking on this, what will happen? It will open this window. Inside, we need to send the file path. Okay, and so we have the method src.type. Okay, type is the method, and you need to choose that two arguments, like argument 1 and argument 2. First argument is the image path. Second argument is which file you are going to be upload by using path. Okay. So what I will do is I will choose a file PDF. Okay, 1 second. In the free software. Okay. Perfectly. So this is sample documentation. Okay. So this is sample documentation. I will take this one dash full dot sample PDF sample. Okay, PDF sample. Use the double slashes. So this is path object for the image in the atom as reference here, and in that location you need to type or I need to enter this file which can be uploaded. After the thread dot sleep, just we need to click on open. This is the image. Next image we are going to be image reference. So src dot open. Click. Okay, click inside that the open button. Open BTM. Okay, this is the thing to do the Sikuli automation by using so let's see that through the entirely. Yes. So see how it has to be clicked on, it has to enter the file path and it is going to be file coded. Carefully how the testing is done and will be automated. PDF document is opened and maximized, and it click on file upload file button. See that, and it enter the file name, file path. Click on open. See that it is uploaded. That means it is converted. So we need to click this thing. This is the button, and it's going to be downloaded. Okay. So see that I'm changing the scenario. As you know, I did not get any pop-up while downloading. Why it is not showing the pop-up? Hello?
No.
Settings. Okay, in browser settings, it does not have the. It is like disabled. The pop-up download pop-up is disabled for this browser. So if you take this scenario, Firefox, if you want to enable, and coming to Firefox browser, Firefox browser, and if you open and these software, not software, jar Sikuli in the sample, and see that. So now if I click on pop-up window, based on the browser settings only. So that Firefox will be pop-up open. by default it is enabled. Should be one when while downloading. And one you can change the settings to disable. So Chrome by default it was disabled. That's the reason it is not. So enable also. Okay. So that is the thing of your browsers only. You can setting your options or whatever you can do that. Okay. Yes. So this download option I will tell you in the Firefox. See that just I am going to change here my browser. Okay. So my browser is this tool I need to set up as a top small driver. Firefox driver. And in that, okay, here I am using 2.53 is my Java jars, okay, Selenium Java jars, and Firefox should be on. Then will work 45 up to 44 it will work, I think so. Early, the latest one it will not work, so work for 2.53. Please remember. And now we are on here, and see that the text is execute at okay. So Firefox is open, and the PDF document is open, and see FileUpload, and see the same thing, and click on this is captured. It is worker working. Okay, the things are captured at home level. Now it is run with the Firefox is working. So here again what I am doing is while uploading, if I click here and one, and here my objective is I need to select this checkbox. If it is second, I think it will be okay. This time it is check this one. Okay. And click OK. Two things will be do. Okay. First I am capturing the screens by using two, and this is the first thing we can upload. This is basically upload link, upload button. This is a download button, and so I'm giving the name download button .ng, and second thing is once you download, you will pop up. I select this as button, select this button. What is button name will give? Save file. Okay, save radio btn .png. Okay, and click on OK. Click on button. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Okay. Open.png. Okay. So now creating one more method and public, or will continue, no problem. We'll continue. Okay. So then what we should do? This is for loading pattern, uploading pattern. Okay. Loading pattern, stream, our images, and now downloading down pattern. Just I'll take this file, copy paste, and rename it. So like the download button. Okay, and it is like save button. Here button. This is off button. Okay, button. So these are the things. Now what we need to do? Same thing. Go to the location where you capture the screen. Thing is the button. Okay. Slash and there is a download button. Yes. Why it is not coming down? Down. This is not button PNG. Next is next. What is the next one? Then slash it is radio button. Oh God.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Save file radio button. There is two radio buttons, right? So how should we do that? Two radio buttons.
Yes, based on the resolution only. So how capture? See, here one radio button is already selected. Okay. So where it is, just do it. I'll tell you. Downloading. It's converted. Yeah. So here, oh, 1 second. So downloading. See that here saying that this is the radio button and second radio button. Okay. So if we captured here this one, and this one is different. It's already selected. It is not selected. So there is a solution based on screen coordinates only. Which screen is captured. And screen is like able to display and the pop-up only to do the action. That is a quickly feature. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
when we more than two radio buttons, then should we take the text also?
will see with caption you will give some spaces. Suppose both are we cannot snip all the time all the sizes. So this time I took this one. Suppose there is another file upload is there, you can take like different sheet. Existing somewhere else and that button is existing somewhere else. You can make the name like reference name is different and do the action. So it will be captured only based on the size, resolution. That's nothing on that. Okay. So the second thing is what is the second one? File. Okay. Radio button. So to the save radio button link here, paste here. Okay. Next one is slash. Okay. Okay. All the slashes, double slashes we are making. Slash. Here. Wait. Link, source paste. Okay. So now, similarly, already screen is there. Just here, like actions. So src.click and download button, and wait time is 30 seconds, and I need to click the same src. Click and should check that button, save button, and next is click on button. So all are click only. So just to turn over. Okay. And we can give the first place. We can use it. Okay. Call them same method and see the run Java application. Close existing browsers, perform, running on Firefox browser, file upload and file download. Get maximize. Okay, file upload and file name. Okay. Now, not able to download. It is not able to pop up because here it is not displaying because the button is not able to directly display the web driver. It is in the page. You need to scroll down the page. You need to scroll down the page, then only it will be visible, and then do the off. That's what. Stop and bring that to the on this L50 and L56 and coordinate able to find the NG. Then the find fail because of this Sikuli image in the this location. And this size is something this one, and some calculator internally like this, and it is not able to recognize in the yes. Okay, able to recognize in the Java. The thing. The coordinates being captured on will be click. So what we will implement is that scroll. How to scroll a page? Any idea? To scroll a page. File upload example. I think I have done here. Java executor. Okay. Java JavaScript executor. Okay. Once we design the pattern, but before clicking that, so JavaScript executor is defined Java class. Okay. So which are created append to the driver, attached to the interface to the browser, and there is a method called execute script and pass window by 0 to 250 coordinates. So this takes all your coordinates to 250 like this. Just simple. That's only I'm asking. into 2. So on as and that our will be Firefox browser is offline. You can open, download it, and just scroll down. It open. Click on the button and then OK button. And it successfully. So this file upload, file download, and you see the logs. So that's all are the coordinates only internally. Okay, based on the coordinates, to find the internal stuff. So you can use multiple browsers. Okay, so the support for multiple browsers as well as operating system. If you use Auto 8 also like similar. Better to use Sikuli because file execution browsers. So the speed does not have much like page. Okay. So any doubts? Any questions? Any clarification? So I will this file, workspace, and share you the document also. Just go through the document and follow the step and get installed. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
So up here, so let's know I'll talk to Harun. So if you have any pending stuff, we'll take a class. Mostly we covered all the